Hi, I'm Mimi from Mimi Brooks Design, right here in the heart of Vancouver, BC. But I'm not from Vancouver, I'm from a small town in Ontario. And it's our tradition to be opening our doors and sharing our home with our family and friends. So this Friday night when your hot lap blings and your friends are calling to come over for a visit, I'm gonna show you how to throw together a really easy spread that you can share with your friends so it keeps them coming back for more. So you might already have these ingredients in your fridge or your pantry, but it also will take you 5 minutes to run to the store and grab it. Think of the 4 food groups. You have dairy, meat, your fruit and nuts, and grains. A couple of yummy cheeses that are always a hit are the goat cheese, and what I do to prep it is I just kind of chop it up and hack it up here to make it easier to spread. And then I squeeze lemon all over it, give it a little bit of a tart, and then grate the lemon rind right all over it. Lots of fun color. And then you can drizzle it with olive oil and sprinkle some pepper on there. We have creamy blue cheese. Just dump that right out on your board. Chop that up. And it's so yummy, you just squeeze honey all over it. These both are huge hits at every party I throw. So there you have it. It's so easy. It took me 10 minutes to pick this up from the store. It took me 10 minutes to throw it together, and you're gonna impress your friends. We have everything that makes a party delicious.